Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials ready. Filtered water in the tank to the max line, the machine plugged in, and the portafilter locked empty. Once done, switch the machine on and wait for the ready light. This preheats boiler and group head. Then run a 20-30 second hot water flush through the group to purge manufacturing residue and stabilize temperature. Make sure the steam dial is closed while flushing so you only clear the brew circuit. This prevents unwanted steam and primes the system for your first shot. Now grind and dose into the portafilter. Choose 7-9G for a single or 14-18G for a double with a fine espresso grind. You want even distribution, then tamp level and firm to create uniform resistance. This controls flow and flavor. Wipe the basket rim, lock the portafilter into the group, and place your cup. Once you press the brew button, monitor extraction, target about 20 to 30 seconds for balanced crema and strength. If it runs too fast, finer grind or more dose is needed. Finish by frothing milk if desired. Open the steam briefly to purge, then immerse the wand tip just below the surface to introduce air and create microfoam. Lower deeper to heat milk to around 60-65 degrees C. Once done, close steam, wipe the wand and purge again to clear milk. Serve immediately for best crema. If your shot is weak, adjust to a finer grind or increase dose. If the machine won't power, make sure the reservoir is seated and the plug is fully inserted. Those simple checks fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.